Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Ecosport headrest. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. You will need to adjust the seat back to a comfortable, upright position to give yourself ample working space. Next, locate the two small release buttons found at the base of each headrest post. One button typically allows for height adjustment, while the other is specifically for complete removal. Knowing which is key to a smooth process. Before attempting to pull the headrest out, push it all the way down into the seat. This often makes it easier to access the release mechanism and provides better leverage. Carefully identify the button designed for full removal. It might have a small icon or be slightly different from the height adjustment button. Once identified, press and hold this specific release button firmly with one hand, ensuring it is fully depressed to disengage the locking mechanism. With the release button held down, use your other hand to grasp the headrest firmly. Gently but steadily pull the headrest straight upward, away from the seat. It should slide out smoothly once the locking pin is disengaged. Avoid yanking or using excessive force, as this could potentially damage the headrest posts or the seat's internal mechanism. The goal is a controlled, even pull until the headrest is completely free from its mounts. To reinstall the headrest, simply align the two metal posts with the corresponding guide holes in the top of the seat. Push the headrest straight down until you hear a distinct click, indicating it has locked securely into place. Give it a gentle tug upward to confirm it's properly seated and won't accidentally come loose. And for a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.